Deronda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you my twist on scrambled eggs. And I'm hoping it'll catch on for a new world tradition when it comes to the egg world. Simple and easy to do. You're going to need 2 eggs. I've had these sitting out of my refrigerator for about 15 minutes. You don't want to use super chilled eggs. If you don't want to wait for 15 minutes, drop them into a cup of hot water and let them sit for 5 minutes. You'll need a pinch of salt or pepper, this is optional, and 2 teaspoons of butter. Over here to the oven top, I've got an 8-inch skillet over medium-high heat. We're going to add the butter. And my secret here is using a whisk to scramble these eggs. Very simple and easy to do. We're going to melt the butter. It doesn't really need to be all melted before we add the eggs. And then we're going to crack in 1 egg at a time. You don't need to stick it in a bowl and whip it around before you add it here into your skillet. And there's 2. Once you see the white forming around the edge of your eggs here, we're going to take this whisk and we're going to break the yolk. Once you break this yolk, you're going to add your salt and pepper, if that's what you wish, for seasoning. And we're going to then start whisking our eggs very slowly. Gonna let it cook for a little bit. We're gonna whisk them around. Okay, let them cook a little. With a whisk, make sure you get the edges of your pan. You see how that's beginning to cook right up? And then we're going to take our whisk and we're going to incorporate the eggs until they're nice and done. Oh yeah, perfect. Doesn't take very long at all. I'm going to take this over to the plate. We have these perfect scrambled eggs. Now if you want your eggs a little softer, cook them a little less. If you want them a little bit more done, you may do that too. But looky there, every single time a perfect scrambled egg using a whisk. Gotta give it a try. Yum. You're gonna love these. Simple, easy, a great way to start your morning, to have for lunch, dinner, whenever you need protein. It's perfect. Wow, I'm Deronda with Foods 101, and looky there. Enjoy your delicious whisk eggs. My twist on your traditional scrambled eggs. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you all next time.